Good morning to everybody. In exercise 4.3, this is the last question. Exercise 4.3, this is the last question. In countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius, that is F is equal to 9 by 5C plus 32 degree. 9 by 5C plus 32. Now draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. Right? Okay, first we will do the first part. So according to the equation, F equal to what? 9 by 5C plus 32, it is given for you. They asked us to take the Celsius is on the x-axis and the Fahrenheit is on the y-axis. Now, so before draw the graph for the given equation, what we will do? We used to find minimum 3 or 4 solution for that. Okay. Now it is what? See here, it is what F. F is nothing but 9 by 5C plus 32. 9 by 5C plus 32. 9 by 5C plus 32. Am I right? Yes. Now when C equal to 5 degree, so 5 into 5, 5 by 5 we can cancel. So 9 plus 32 is what? 41 degree Fahrenheit. Right? When C equal to 10, so 9 by 5, that is when C equal to 5, F equal to what? 9 by 5 into 5 plus 32, 5 plus 5 you can cancel, 9 plus 32 which is equal to 41. F is what? 41. When C equal to 10, when C equal to 10, then F equal to 9 by 5 into 10 plus 32, that is 2 5s are 10, 9 2s are 18 plus 32 which is equal to 50. Which is equal to what? 50. After that, when C equal to 15, when C equal to 15, then F will be 9 by 5 into 15 plus 32. 1 5 is 5, 3 times of 5 is 15, 9 3s are 27 plus 32. 30, 50, 57, then 59. When C equal to 15. When C equal to 15. Okay, this much enough for you. Okay. Now, we found 3 solutions. Now we will plot the points in a graph. That is, on the x-axis, take 1 centimeter equal to 5 unit. It is x dash, it is x, it is y over y dash. It is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 and goes on. On the y-axis, scale on x-axis, take 1 centimeter equal to 5 unit. On y-axis, take 1 centimeter equal to 10 unit. Right? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 till 60. Am I right? Till 60. Now, what are the solution for us? 5, 41. On the x-axis y, on the y-axis 41. After 40, there will be 10 subdivision, right? Then after 40, that is first line, 41. Then 10, 50. 10 is here on the 50, 10 on the x-axis and then 50 on the y-axis. Then 15, 59. 15, 59. So below 60. Below 60. So this is your graph. This is your graph. F equal to 9 by 5C plus 32. 9 by 5C plus 32. Are you getting here? You try with the graph sheet. Okay. Then second part is what? If the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? Second part. second part, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, that is second part, when C equal to 30 degree, am I right? When C equal to 30 degrees Celsius, what will be the temperature in Fahrenheit? What will be the temperature in Fahrenheit? Am I right? Yes. Now find. So F equal to 9 by 5. C is what? 30 plus 32. 1 5 is 5. 6 5 are 30. 6 times of 5 is what? 30. 9 6 are 54. So 54 plus 32, that is equal to 86 degree Fahrenheit. 86 degree Fahrenheit. Are you getting there? Yes. And then third part, what it is given for you? When Fahrenheit is 95 degree. When Fahrenheit is 95 degree, what will be the temperature in Celsius? What will be the temperature in Celsius? That is C value you are going to find. C value you are going to find. So F is what? 95 is equal to 9 by 5C plus 32. That is 9 plus 30. Bring the 32 from right hand side to left hand side. Then it will be 95 minus 32. That is equal to 9 by 5C. 95 minus 32 is what? 5 minus 2 is 3. 9 minus 3 is what? 63 is equal to 9 by 5C. That is 9 by 5C is equal to 63. Then C equal to 63 into 5 by 9. 1 9 is 9. How many times of 9 is 63? 7 times of 9 is 63. Then 7 5s are how much? 35 degrees Celsius. See, the temperature in Celsius is what? 35 degree. When the Fahrenheit is what? 95 degree. Fahrenheit is what? 95 degree. Then fourth subdivision, when temperature is 0 degree Celsius, what is the Fahrenheit? And then when Fahrenheit is 0 degree, then what will be the temperature in Celsius? Fourth part, when F equal to 0, what is C? And then when C equal to 0, what is F? Fourth part, when C equal to 0, what is the value of F? Okay. Now tell me, when C equal to 0 means what? F equal to 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32. That is, F equal to 0 and anything is what? 0. 0 plus 32 is what? 32 degree. So therefore 0 comma 32. 0 comma 32. And then same question again. When F equal to 0, what is the value of C here? So how will you find that? Put F equal to 0 in the equation. 0 is equal to 9 by 5C plus 32. Transpose this 32 from right hand side to left hand side. Then it will be minus 32, that is equal to 9 by 5C. Right? Then 9 by 5C equal to minus 32. Then C equal to minus 32 into 5 by 9. Minus 32 into 5 by 9. 32 into 5, 160. 30 into 5 is 150. 2 into 5 is what? 10. So 160. That is minus 160 by 9. 1 9 is 9. Remaining 7. Am I right? 7 9s are 63. Again 7. 7 9s are 63. Again 7. 7 9s are 63 goes on. Then C equal to minus 17.77 and goes on. So you can write like C equal to minus 17.8 degree Celsius. Minus 17.8 degree Celsius. And then last part, the fifth part, when is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, and find it. If yes, find it. That is what? Fahrenheit equal to Celsius. When F equal to C. What is the question? When F equal to C. It's very simple. Put F equal to C here. So what will you get? C equal to 9 by 5C plus 32 here. Am I right? Now take LCM. LCM will be C equal to 9C by 9C. 32 into 5, 160 by 5 here. Now transpose this 5 from right hand side to left hand side. 5c equal to 9c plus 160. Then 5c minus 9c is equal to 160. 5c minus 9c is what? Minus 4c equal to 160. Then c equal to 160 by minus 4, which is equal to minus 40. So when it's numerically equal, when the Fahrenheit and Celsius are 40 degree, then numerical values are equal. Right? Minus 40 degree is the temperature, which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius. Are you getting dear? I think the one more question is left in this exercise, and then after that exercise 4.4, so we can able to complete on Monday. Okay dear? Yes. Thank you everybody. Thank you.